Mastering Titles and Honorifics, the key to polite conversations. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to focus on something that's very important when it comes to interacting with colleagues, classmates, and really anyone you meet. Using titles and honorifics. This seemingly small detail can make a big difference in how polite and respectful your conversations are. So, let's get started. Titles and honorifics are formal terms we use to address or refer to someone. They show respect and can indicate a person's profession, academic degree, or social status. Using titles and honorifics appropriately is an integral part of English etiquette, particularly in professional and academic settings. Common titles include Mr., Mrs., Miss, Ms., and Doctor, among others. When referring to men, we usually use the title Mr., pronounced as Mr. It is a general title for adult men, regardless of their marital status. For women, it's a little bit more complex. Mrs. is used for married women, Miss for unmarried women, and Ms. is used when the marital status is unknown or irrelevant. Keep in mind, the preference for these titles can vary by individual and cultural context, so it's always a good idea to ask someone how they would like to be addressed if you are unsure. Beyond the basic titles, we also have professional titles like doctor, professor, and captain, among others. Doctor is used for people who have a doctoral degree or are medical doctors. Professor is short for professor, a title for someone who teaches at a college or university. Captain is used for a captain, whether it's in the military, on a ship, or in an airline. It's important to use these titles when addressing people in professional settings to show respect for their expertise and accomplishments. Well, that's all for today's lesson on using titles and honorifics in English. I hope you found this useful and that you'll be able to use this knowledge to make your conversations more polite and respectful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use these titles in your daily conversations. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.